Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sorry I've been MIA. I got crazy sick. That took me out for several weeks. I haven't been able to mess with anything or do anything really. So feeling better now and I'm ready to get back to work. One of the things that kept me sane while I was in quarantine were RC drift cars. They're like my new favorite hobby. I just love them.
Boys are very nice.
They could be as realistic as you want them to be, basically. I'm still learning and still progressing, but I think I've gotten decent enough to where I'm comfortable making it around the track multiple times without making too many mistakes. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about the RC stuff. I'm really big into RC cars, like RC drag racing, regular racing, drifting, everything. And I'd like to include some of that on this channel, but I don't want to take away from the 240 purists or just, you know, people that just really aren't into that stuff. So let me know if you like it and I'll include more. If you don't like it, let me know that too and I'll never show it again. But now that I'm back, I've got a ton of work to do to this coupe and to that hatch. This coupe needs to go off to get a cage put in. I have that set up for middle of March-ish, hopefully, if everything goes well. So there are a few things I need to do to get everything straight on it before I can send it off. One of those things being the brakes. The brakes on this car are super mushy, and I think I have a leak somewhere. I just have to track it down. So I'm going to swap out the calipers and rotors with some PBM calipers and some Z32 rotors. I don't remember exactly where I got the rotors from, but not eBay, at least. It's not gonna be a step-by-step tutorial because changing calipers is super easy. Anybody can do it. There's just 2 bolts on each caliper. Undo the brake line, take off the rotor. That's pretty much it. Okay, sorry guys. I just found out that the stock Z32 calipers and the PBM calipers have different mounting hardware. I don't know why, but if you're doing this, because the stock bolt will not fit on the PBM stuff. So you got to get new bolts. They are M12 by 1.75, if that helps. Look at that. We got the new calipers on the Coupe. It was a huge pain in the ass. I've done this job at least 4 or 5 times, and each time it's a new set of issues. But we got them on there, and I have a confession to make. The real reason why I wanted to swap out the calipers was to put the old ones on this car, because it definitely needs them. Well, I got them on there. They look good-ish. Looks good-ish. Very tired. It's not as easy as it would seem. There's always some type of issue. Well, you can see it's getting dark out. I think I'm gonna call it a night. I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate your support. Appreciate you guys coming back. Appreciate the likes, the comments. Definitely appreciate the subscriptions. Please keep it up. Appreciate you. Love you. I'm out.
Throwing 100 on the freeway. That's what you got me doing these days. Your love so good, it's like I see things. Absolutely like I wanna switch days. I pull up on you in a truck.